So we actually saw in the previous exercise as to how we can fill out the details for registration. We also saw that the username has to be unique. So how do we kind of ensure that we enter a random username each time we run the script? So this is a quick bonus video on how do you kind of write a random alphanumeric function that can actually generate alphanumeric characters for you. So let's write that quickly. Alphanumeric. So we need a set of characters which will actually be used to generate the alphanumeric values. So let's say result. So we have a set of characters. You can just randomize it using this function. Oops. So we're going to use the inbuilt map function to kind of based on the length of the characters we want, we just go ahead and generate some random function using the characters that are there in this character string. So we should also return the result. Okay, yeah, that should do, I think. So now let's also kind of set the variables for our names. And then we need the username, right? So let's create the username. And we take the first name, and we also take the last name, and we generate a random alphanumeric, and the length that we want to pass on is just about 5 characters. So this should actually help us to generate alphanumeric characters. Now let's just replace the variables correctly. First name, last name, and then where is the username? It's you. So yeah, so this should help us to kind of generate the username, but what we are trying to do here is use the first name and the last name, and use the function generate random alphanumeric, which will generate the alphanumeric characters based on the length that we have passed on to it. Alright, oh, hold on. Alright, I just missed setting the right tilde here. 1 second, let me fix it. Okay, with that I think we should be good to go in terms of the test. So let's quickly check if this runs and creates a new user with a randomly generated alphanumeric name. Let me try running this in edit mode. There you go. Cool. So I hope that is helpful. Thank you.